Hi there. My heart is breaking when I see Russian soldiers destroying Ukrainian cities and killing innocent civilians. What can be done to stop Putin's aggression? To find out, keep watching as we navigate Russian adjective endings for silny or strong and unified, which is Russian for единый. Feel free to take notes in the comments and ask me anything about Russian. So the first thing we look at when countries respond to a crisis is their leader. Turns out Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky used to play one on TV. On the show Servant of the People, he aspired to fight for the rights of regular Ukrainians, but then actually ran for president and won. Little did he know back then about the kind of fight he would face in real life. Leader or leader is a noun of masculine gender, and it goes with the adjective сильный, with «y» at the end. A strong leader is сильный лидер. What does a strong leader or сильный лидер look like? Сильная позиция or strong position is one example of what sets a strong leader apart. Позиция is of feminine gender, and when we use it with the adjective сильная, it has «ая» at the end. A strong position is сильная позиция. And the ultimate test of a leader's resolve is in resisting aggression. Сопротивление, resistance, is a noun of neuter gender, and when used with сильная, it has «ое» at the end. Strong resistance is сильное сопротивление. If you're enjoying our time together, please give this video a like so that more students could find it on YouTube. Putin's brutal invasion of Ukraine has shown how devastating military power is. Defeating Russia's aggression takes a unified international response. A unified response is единый ответ. Ответ is of masculine gender, and when used with the adjective единый, it has «y» at the end. A unified response is единый ответ. A powerful tool for containing one country's aggression is applying unified international sanctions. Unified sanctions is единые санкции. When we are talking about one sanction, it's санкция, which is of feminine gender. In the example of единые санкции, we use noun санкции in the plural, together with the adjective единые with «y» at the end. Unified sanctions is единые санкции. Almost 3 million Ukrainians have already fled to other countries. The number of Ukrainian refugees is projected to be over 6 million people, all because of the Russian invasion. Unified international support is crucial for their survival and well-being. Unified support is единая поддержка. Поддержка is of feminine gender, and we use it with the adjective единая, with «ая» at the end. Unified support is единая поддержка. Doesn't сильный sound a lot like синий or blue? Would you do me a favor? Pause the video and try declining the adjective синий in the comments below. How did it go? If you want to know the correct declension of синий, check out the video I made about the adjective and the new flag of Free Russia. Take good care, achievers, and I'll see you very soon.